Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to sign up for Udemy. Udemy Inc. is an American massive open online course provider aimed at professional adults and students. The platform has more than 40 million students, 155,000 courses and 70,000 instructors teaching courses in over 65 languages. If you would like to sign up for Udemy, start by clicking open a web browser. Once you do that, go to the URL box at the top and type in www.udemy.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Once you reach to the official website of Udemy, go and click on the sign up button at the upper right corner. Now, in order to sign up, you'll need to enter your information. Type in your full name into the full name text field. Now enter your email on the next field. After you do so, type in your password for your account. Make sure to type in a strong password, and if you'd like to double check your password before moving on, click on this eye icon, which will help you reveal your password. Once you have a strong password, if you'd like to get emails with exclusive deals, personal recommendations, and learning tips from Udemy, click on this box. If not, leave it unchecked and finally click on sign up. Answer questions from the options displayed on the screen. Or you can skip the step for now by clicking on skip for now at the bottom right. And there you go. You have successfully signed up for Udemy. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.